We had visited the barangay captain of the Botong where the sugar mill was established and learned about how the Bosco sugar mill helped the economy and the people in the community.
Of course, ang gusto ko kay dako gid siya og mahatag sa among economy. Specifically, the real property tax. No? So, naging siya share ang barangay. Kung asa na put up sa mga property, so ang barangay, na siya 25% share sa real property tax. But siguro dili kay dako ang share sa barangay kay actually although may yun nga 25% pero sa ako nga legit 12.5% talaga siya. Like automatic ang half-an na is ginadidak para sa local school board. Basically, na-average niya mahatag sila sa mga 2.5 million per year. Average sa ilang real property tax. Economy-wise, for employment, kumbaga ang impact sa employment is dako din. Kung naitrabaho, stable siya ang mga pamilya, so at least na sila provide sa pamilya. Ang impact po sa mga planters, naghatag po sila opportunity for us small farmers na nga maka-plant sila sa ilang sugarcane. At sa ingon, matapangan po sila. Dugangan ang ilang income. Pinagi sa farming. So, in fact, kami gidira sa Botong Unta, we are really pushing our people just to plant sugarcane as part of our support sa Bosco and to the sugarcane industry. Para nga ma-maintain na to ang ang economic status ang barangay. But kami ga-encourage yun nila to do. Ang Botong is, we are calling ang Botong as sugar barangay. The sweet barangay. Where people are sweet. Like the sugar.
Okay. Next question, sir, is there any programs headed by the company to help your people?
Na siya yung mga, actually na yung mga programs. Kanang schools na mo. Ang Bosco Central Elementary School was provided by Bosco Milling Company. Maintenance ng roads. I would like to mention also na apod sila yung mga scholars. Actually, dagko ganina ilang mga scholarship grant. So, dako din siya ang lahat.
Sir, para sa health programs?
Sa health, actually, nag-provide po sila sa barangay. Just like, for example, may kanang program sa Tuberculosis Management, Control and Elimination Management Council. So, they're providing also this year, pag launching namo sa among TV program, naghatag sila 10,000 pesos. And aside from that, whatever need nga mong mapangaya sa ila, they are providing. So basically, ang sugarcane industry, specifically ang Bosco and Crystal, they are really helping our community.
Okay, and next, sir, is there any complaints from the community regarding their operation?
So far, wala.
Wala.
Na yung mga ginagmay na complaint, especially katong as far as I remember, may tungod sa baho, sa mattress. Pero gin-actionan man nila agad. So wala sila kung matunggan sila nga reklamo, gin-actionan man. But in general, wala may nga matawag na ito may mga problema sila gihandle sa community. Actually, one thing nga akong na-appreciate kanil sa ila is ilang tree planting program. So, ang ila diha part sa Bosco is nahimo lang nabalik ang lasang. Which is, ako very passionate nito sa balik sa akong kalasang tree planting activities. Kaya we have to take care of our environment, our planet Earth.
About sa ilahang pollution, sir?
Pollution? Oo.
Wala yung mga issue.
Sa pollution actually, gina-monitor man sila sa DNR. But as far as I know, nga kanailang aso sa una, kung siguro wala pa muna tao, itong na siyang aso. Karon is white na kay tungod gina-filter na nila. So it's murag sa water vapor na lang din ang gagawas. Dili na gid siya pollution, as in pollution. Pagkaput-put sa water, natin na sila yung water treatment. Before nila ihulog sa kulangi ang ilang waste, ginatreat pa na nila. So murag na kanina sila sa una ka na murag live nga mga bacteria.
And last question, sir, is how does the company affect your environment and atmosphere?
Actually, that is why nga we are pushing sa sugarcane industry kay medyo siya mag-sustain pa siya sa itong environment. Kay kinahanglan man niya fertile nga yuta. Dili po kinahanglan nga mamutol ta o kahoy. So mo gina kung pag-abot po sa flood, medyo makahold pa ang gamot sa sugarcane sa tubo. No? Kay sa compare nato sa other kabalo na taon sana. So pag-abot po sa taon na to soil erosion, actually dili kayo contributor ang sugarcane sa soil erosion. It's more on sa itong other na tanom diri. So mo na siya ang in fact wala pa man may record nga ang hinungdan sa ang bahan diri is tubig.
The Busco Sugar Mill has also contributed to the establishment of various businesses in the area, such as gasoline stations, eateries, banks, multi-purpose cooperatives, and sari-sari stores. These establishments provide employees with easy access to their basic needs.
Paano siya naka-apekto lugar sa inyong ladlaw nga pag-negosyo dali?
Kuan, kanang lumikan sa mga trabahante, rin mamalit, rin malasag sudan, nabuhi sa inyo.
Sir, maingon mo nga ang mga benepisyo na nakuha ninyo.
Anong among pagtuyo diri, libre man ni.
So, mag-stay mo dali for 30 years?
Wala man may gipabayad sa yuta,
Say, kuan po na like, murag disadvantage bitaw like, nakita ninyo, obserbahan ninyo.
ng mga wastewater nila, di man gakuan man sila ga, timo man sila nga dili pod makakuan sa palibot yun. Kanang ilang iplastar ang ilang kungkuan nga. Ang ilang hugaw maadto ra na dili makakuan sa mga katawhan diri.
Wala po yung na-issue diri na yun. Tungod sa ilang manufacturing, nag-out yung
Wala.
wala pa sa
Wala.
Ngayon yung mga changes na nakabo sa inyong barangay na tungod sa Busco.
Tungod pod sa kanang kuan, ang barangay tinamo dato po nakuha nga benepisyo tungkol sa kanang ilang tax silbi.
Sa ilang manufacturing na yun, kanang nabay ka ng saba ilang
Saba kay kanang magaling.
abot na rin.
Saba kay kanang magid mi sa duol.
Ilang sa lugar siya ninyo na yun.
Naanad na pod mi.
I-adapt na lang po ninyo.
Naanad mo din makatulog naman ako mi.
As we visit the Busco Sugar Mill compound, we notice that many residents are workers or small business owners. The company provides them steady income, helping families meet their needs and send their children to school. Because of the company's effective waste and emission management, it creates no major health or pollution concern in the community based on the people that we have interviewed. According to Mira Carasaga, a resident and eatery owner in the Busco compound, she is grateful to the company as it boosts their daily income due to the patronage of employees. Additionally, Busco allows residents to live freely on their property. On the other hand, Mr. Ferdinand Las Monias, who declined video recording during the interview, shared that before Busco's establishment, their livelihood revolved around farming and gardening. Moreover, Busco Sugar Mill provides sufficient salaries and benefits to its employees, greatly supporting their families. Furthermore, Jim Cabalbag and Mr. Castillon emphasized that Busco strictly enforces safety protocols during operation. Before entering the workplace, guards ensure that employees log in, present identification cards, and wear complete personal protective equipment during working hours. The management also offers free medical checkups for its worker. demonstrating their commitment to employees' welfare. Bukidnon thrives on its sugarcane farms, with Busco Sugar Milling Company Incorporation at the heart of this industry, driving the local economy and supporting the community. Notably, there are no major complaints about health or pollution, thanks to the company's effective waste and emission management. They achieve this by filtering the gases they produce, turning harmful emissions into water vapor. This process transforms dark black smoke into white cloudy vapor. Before discharging their wastewater into the Pulangi River, they filter out toxic substances using a type of bacteria that neutralizes harmful toxins. The company also runs programs such as tree planting to help mitigate their environmental impact. They maintain proper waste disposal practices, and their use of sugarcane crops is particularly effective in preventing soil erosion. Sugarcane thrives on fertile lands and is more efficient at erosion control compared to other crops. However, the question remains, is Busco Sugar Mill truly a kaabag sa kinabuhi or suliranin sa kaugmaon? In conclusion, Busco Sugar Mill stands as a testament to how industries can positively impact their communities and the environment, earning its reputation as a true kaabag sa kinabuhi or partner in life. Through stable livelihood opportunities, sufficient salaries, and benefits, the company uplifts not only its employees but also the local economy, as seen in the thriving businesses within its compound. Its strict adherence to safety protocols and provision of free medical checkups reflect a commitment to employees' welfare. Moreover, Busco's proactive environmental initiatives such as filtering emissions, treating wastewater, and implementing tree planting programs underscore its dedication to sustainability and minimal ecological impact. By fostering strong community ties and supporting Bukidnon's sugarcane industry, Busco Sugar Mill exemplifies how responsible industrial operation can serve as foundation for progress, prosperity, and hope for the future.